Poshmark also runs a lot of incentives in ways that encourages both buyers and sellers to use their platform. So today we're going to be talking about closet clear out and how to best use that to your advantage to make some sales and in the most efficient and effective way possible. Something that I really appreciate about Poshmark is how connected it allows you to be to your sellers and potential audience. Like I mentioned in my 10 tips for beginners video, check that out if you haven't, is that Poshmark is a social platform. So today we're going to be talking about the best way to utilize a closet clear out. So a closet clear out is an incentive that Poshmark runs through its own website. So basically it incentivizes the seller to drop their prices, and whoever has liked an item in your closet will get an email or a notification that they can get discounted shipping. Back when I first did this, I realized that it was a huge pain in the ass. So I went through my entire closet and dropped a ton of prices, and nothing sold. So then I was stuck with my closet being essentially at discounted prices. Fast forward, it just was a hot mess. So I still use the closet clear out incentives, but completely differently. I realized that changing the prices of all of these items in my closet was... So we are going to talk about how I do a closet clear out now. So head on over to your Poshmark closet. We will start with this ASOS jacket. I will open this up in a new tab. So I go to my listing and I have 17 people that have liked this item. I click on here, I follow all of them. Alright, so let's go over to Kevin. I hit the bundles tab and I have to switch over to sell view. Here are the things that Kevin has liked in my closet. I have a template for my closet clear out sales. So I write CCO, Mac will automatically expand the text because I've made a shortcut of it. I hit OK. And essentially this is what it says. I thank them from browsing my closet and liking some items. I offer a 20% discount and then let them know that if they are interested, they will automatically get discounted shipping, and that if they are interested in taking advantage of the deal, they can let me know so I can drop the price. I send that over to them. I add it over to their bundle and voila. Essentially, I just repeat this with everyone else that has liked this item. So this person, I will go over to her bundles. I will click on sell view. Again, I will add this to her bundle. I will press CCO, enter, and send. She had things in her closet, so I will go back and also share some of her items. And essentially, I will continue to do that with the rest of the likers of this item and the rest of the items in my closet that have likes. The reason why I enjoy doing this more than just slashing prices publicly is because if someone really wants to buy your item, they will let you know, and it allows you to connect about that sale, and then they also get discounted shipping. For me, it just makes way more sense to do that than to just cut prices and kind of cross your fingers and hope that someone will take advantage of that sale, because you're also assuming that they know what the sale even means and that they get your notification. Some people may not see that, or they may not have their notifications on. So even if they wanted to buy that item, they could have just completely missed your sale. But if they see my comment even a day or two later and they respond and say, hey, yes, I do want to take advantage of this, then you can just say, great, I will typically just send them a private offer. That way, I may not have made a sale right then and there through the closet clear out, but I made a sale 2 days later from this comment. I just wanted to pop on here and say, this tip does work. Still the same day that I filmed this video, it's 9 o'clock, and I just sold a bundle off of the comment that I made on someone's likes. She liked 2 other items. I sent her an offer, she accepted, and cha-ching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Please leave a comment down below if you did or you have any other questions. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It really will support my channel. Follow my social media at daydreaming_, and I'd love to connect with you. Thank you so much. Ciao.